Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to be counting down the top 10 best kitchen styles. From traditional to modern, we've got something for everyone, so let's get started. Number 10, Farmhouse Kitchen. Starting off our list at number 10 is the Farmhouse Kitchen. With its rustic charm and vintage appeal, this style is all about bringing the outdoors in. Think exposed beams, shiplap walls, and open shelving. Number 9, Mediterranean Kitchen. At number 9, we have the Mediterranean Kitchen. This style is all about warmth and hospitality. From its colorful tiles to its textured walls, a Mediterranean kitchen is perfect for those who love to entertain. Number 8, Industrial Kitchen. Coming in at number 8 is the Industrial Kitchen. This style is all about exposed brick, metal accents, and sleek lines. It's a perfect choice for those who love a minimalist, no-fuss look. Number 7, Contemporary Kitchen. At number 7, we have the Contemporary Kitchen. With its clean lines and neutral palette, this style is all about simplicity and functionality. It's perfect for those who love a modern look. Number 6, Craftsman Kitchen. Next up at number 6 is the Craftsman Kitchen. This style is all about handcrafted details and natural materials. From its wood cabinetry to its stone countertops, a Craftsman Kitchen is perfect for those who love a cozy, lived-in feel. Number 5, Traditional Kitchen. At number 5, we have the Traditional Kitchen. This style is all about classic elegance and timeless appeal. Think ornate details, rich colors, and intricate patterns. Number 4, Rustic Kitchen. Coming in at number 4 is the Rustic Kitchen. This style is all about warmth and comfort. From its distressed wood finishes to its cozy accents, a rustic kitchen is perfect for those who love a country-style look. Number 3, Scandinavian Kitchen. At number 3, we have the Scandinavian Kitchen. This style is all about simplicity and functionality. Think clean lines, light woods, and neutral colors. It's perfect for those who love a minimalist modern look. Number 2, Coastal Kitchen. Coming in at number 2 is the Coastal Kitchen. This style is all about bringing the beach to your home. From its light and airy colors to its seaside-inspired accents, a coastal kitchen is perfect for those who love a relaxing, beachy vibe. Number 1, Modern Farmhouse Kitchen. And finally, at number 1, we have the Modern Farmhouse Kitchen. This style is a perfect blend of rustic charm and modern elegance. Think sleek lines, neutral colors, and natural materials. It's perfect for those who love a cozy yet sophisticated look. So there you have it, folks, our top 10 best kitchen styles. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching.